Hello friends, 24,985. Imagine if you have given 24,085 rupees the time you were born, and while giving that money, if you were said that only that much amount you will have for entire life. With that amount of money, no extra penny will be given. You will have only 24,985 rupees for eating, having family, etc. Has to do every single thing what that money has to spend entire life by spending money from that amount. So what do you think? Is this amount less or more for your entire life? Suppose if this happens in reality, then you have to be so careful and precise with your expenses. Well, in reality and average person get this number not in money but the things which is more important than money. As per Indian report, our average life at today's time is 68.45 years, which we convert in days that it would be 24,985 days. Means we have only this many days to do everything. We have only this many days to eat, drink, to travel, to make family, to fulfill our dreams, etc. We have to do everything in just these days. We have 24,985 days isn't a big problem, but the actual problem is we waste hell lot of days from these given days. A survey shows that we waste 9,000 days on doing useless activities, which is more than 40% of our lives. Therefore, today I will give you a great book summary on the most valuable thing our lives. And that valuable thing is how not to waste time. Today's book summary will teach you 4 basic steps and principles. By following that, you will learn to make best use of your time and also make to achieve your goals. So let's begin. If you ask to maximum people whether they are good at marking strategies or executing it, then you will find maximum people who are good at executing. They have must seen many YouTube videos related to their goals. They will have lot of business knowledge, but the thing is in which they will lack would be execution. Means they lack at taking actions for completing their goals. Hence, if you want to be different from others, you want to achieve goals and won't be successful, then please focus on execution. And to focus on it, the things which will help is 4DX, means the 4 disciplines of execution. This book author surveyed more than 2 lakh business leaders that will they fail to take action for their ideas. Why aren't they fulfill their goals? Then through it they came to know that the one thing which doesn't allow them to complete their work is whirlwind, means in Hindi word bavender. Whirlwind of small delivers, whirlwind of procrastination and time pass, which eats their entire days doesn't allow them to finish an important work. Means whirlwind of social media's notification, whirlwinds of friends meeting, whirlwinds of small work, etc. Hence you should make a system for executing your work so that you can fight with that whirlwind. And the system which will help you to fight with it is known as 4DX. First discipline of 4DX is WIG. Imagine if you work as an airport ATC, means air traffic controller, where continuously many flights take off and lands at any time. If you ask passengers, then obviously the most important plane for them will be theirs at any time. Means then all planes will be important. But for you, the person who controls the entire traffic, for him the most importantly, the only important plane will be the only one plane. And that one plane will be the plane would be the landing on the airport. At any time your full focus will be on that our plane which would be landing, which then help you to control the entire traffic. Similarly, author says that if you want to full control of your life, then even you should keep your full focus on one wildly important goal. Means to focus on the WIG, means which work comes under the radar. Complete one that work which completes your goal statement from X to Y by Z. Example, I want to increase my salary from 30k to 60k, that too before ends 2021. And to make means this goal statement possible, ask a question to yourself that what will be that one work. If you do it now, then it will move you closer to your XYZ goal statement. Just identify that work and complete that work before anything and work it on daily. In a lecture, once Steve Jobs was sharing some wisdom with college students. In that lecture, he started one very important thing. He said that today Apple has become $1 billion company. But if we keep our all products in one table, still that table won't run out of space. The things which actually means was, if he would wanted, then he would have one lot of many things. On Apple, he had many resources, everything, but they still focus mainly on few products. They invest all their energy to those products. They work to make them best. This is one of the reasons for their company's success. Hence, work on wildly important goals. Wildly important goals shouldn't be more than 2 at any time. Number 2. Lead actions lag result. Suppose your goal is due to double your current income. Now to achieve this goal, you start working hard. You search client apart from your job so that you can get extra work and can increase your income. At start you try hard, but till in the end of the month, you don't see much progress in your income. But the result you get disappointed and then quit by saying that you don't need extra income. Now this is the same thing happened to many people. They take actions but don't see result. Author says that this happens because we don't understand a thing known as lag results lead actions. No matter what work you do and how much nicely to do, you will get a lag time between after actions and before results. Means straight line in the graph where you won't see any result. Now for few this lag time is more and for few it is less. Therefore, author says that please don't measure lagged results but measure lead actions daily. Example, instead of measuring how much income is increasing every month or daily means lag result, you should measure lead actions, that how many lead actions you have increased in order to increase income. Example, how many clients did you talk to? 1, 2 or many. And next day, increase the number of lead actions, talk more to clients compared to previous day. Always improve and increase your lead actions. Suppose you want to increase your subscribers, then don't measure how many subscribers you have gained. Instead, measuring how many videos you are uploading weekly. Means measure the things which you can improve or influence. Because when you do this way without giving up, then sure your result will improve slowly, gradually. Hence, chapter 2 is instead of focusing on lag result, be more focused on lead actions. Discipline number 3. Put scoreboard. Suppose it is a holiday and you decide with your friends that today we'll play cricket. Hence you all make a team and starts playing. But after 1 or 2 hours, you notice that with time their interest is finding. Why? Because you all don't count scores. You have no idea how many runs the other team had made. You all don't have idea how many runs or wicket you will need to win. You will just playing with no scoreboard. Now imagine instead of playing that way, if you will had maintained scoreboard and after playing for 1 or 2 hours, you would have know that your team needs 10 runs in 1 over and only 2 wickets are left. So what do you think? Even with this, both teams would getting bored, or they would be saying that enough, they don't want play more, wanted to go home, etc. Obviously no. They would be full of energy and their interest would have gone to another level and they would have played more even if they were running out of their energy. Well, keeping scoreboard has the same power. Author says that people play different when they know what their score is, because with this their will to win increase. And when people will to win improves, then automatically their execution also improves. Hence this is important for you to check your scores frequently. This you can do by maintaining journal or preparing a scoreboard at school or at home. Now usually you should write 3 things on scoreboard. First, your week, second, lag result, and third, lead actions. Example, suppose your week is increasing your salary from 30 to 60, the 2 within a year. And lag is how many projects you are getting to work on, and lead is your number of clients to whom you are connecting. Now after deciding your week, when you measure your lead actions daily and increase it daily, then keeping score will make you feel that you are winning. And when you see your lag result improving, then this thing will increase your motivation and execution. Discipline number 4. Cadence of accountability. People keep their commitment to work on their ideas compared to other work they are asked to do. Hence, fourth discipline teaches us to create a rhythm of giving accountability. Means meet your team at least once in a week or daily, or meet a person to whom you can give accountability of your work and a person gives accountability to his or her work to you. So small session daily or weekly, where you can give answer to these 3 questions. Number 1, did you finish the work which you committed last week? Number 2, did your commitments brought progress in scoreboard? And last, number 3, what all commitments you will make this week? Usually in this, 1 or 2 work will come which will be wildly important work, which will help you the most to increase your scoreboard. Trust me, if you do these simple things by making a rhythm and habit, then this one thing will help you to fulfill your goals. I too have noticed the power of this simple discipline in my life, so don't take it leniently. Now, brief summary of these 4 disciplines. 4DX is where you give daily, weekly accountability of your scorecard and improves it by increasing your lead actions, which finally completes your wildly important goals. This was the short summary of the book, The Discipline of Execution. If you face problems in taking actions in execution, then do check out this book will help. Do subscribe if you find my video useful and do click bell icon after subscribing or else you will miss my video and its notification. Like if you find it knowledgeable and useful, comment where exactly face problems in executing your ideas. Share this video with your friends and family, even they learn this useful knowledge. And my channel will also get support. And finally, thanks for watching.